Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on social media management with Hootsuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on social media management with Hootsuite, begin by creating a Hootsuite account. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs, keeping in mind that there are free and paid options available. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts by selecting Manage Social Networks. Authorize Hootsuite to access each platform you wish to integrate. After connecting your accounts, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To schedule posts, click on the Composer button in the top right corner. Enter your content and attach any images or links as needed. Select the social media accounts where you want to publish your post. Use the date and time picker to schedule your post in advance. For bulk scheduling, use the Bulk Composer feature available under the Publisher tab. Upload a CSV file with your planned posts to save even more time. Monitor your engagement by checking the Analytics section in Hootsuite. This will help you assess the performance of your posts across different platforms. Utilize the Streams feature to manage your interactions in real time. Create custom streams for mentions, messages, and keywords important to your brand. Leverage Hootsuite's reports to analyze trends and refine your strategy. Explore the integration of apps to enhance functionality, like Canva for graphic design. Finally, keep an eye out for special promotions and discounts to maximize your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.